of Menace and the Monk. I am Manas, aka Menace, and as usual, I'm joined by the Idolo, the man living the sugar-free life, the sugar daddy, Nidhi Shankar. We also have someone who is working for the IT cell of a man, जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं. The topic of discussion is Mbappe 2021, and Shivangi has joined us. She's kind enough to join us. So Shivangi, first things first, आपको कितने पैसे मिलते हैं हर ट्वीट के?
So every time I tweet one tweet related to Mbappe 2021, Henry के rivals लोग give me $1. ठीक है? Everyone who is watching and wants to buy LFC is giving me $1 कि हाँ LFC slander होने दो, करने दो SSG slander जितना हो सकता है. तो सारे ऐसे हेनरी के राइवल्स आ गए मेरे पास एंड लाइक कि करो बेटा ट्वीट, हम पैसे देंगे तुम्हें.
आपको ना
इट्स अ नाइस लाइफ, इट्स अ नाइस हैप्पी लाइफ.
आपको थोड़ा सा प्राइस ऑप्टिमाइजेशन करने की जरूरत है. $1 बहुत कम है यार. मतलब 75 रुपीस में क्या होता है
in India? Like 70 rupees for a tweet is too much. Like content writing में एकदम 26 characters कुछ भी लिख दो और एकदम बिक रहा है भाई. Retweets पे they give me $2 each. $2. It's crazy.
Nice.
Thank you for joining us though, Shivangi. Nidhi.
Yes.
मैंने हाल ही में एक चीज बोली थी कि अगर हम एम्बापे साइन करेंगे तो आई विल गेट एम्बापे 2021 टैटूड. ओके, एंड तूने वो जिफ देखा रहेगा, नो रैग्रेट्स इधर. हाँ, सो वो इट विल बी नो रैग्रेट्स. डू यू थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल दैट वी कैन साइन एम्बापे?
देखो, एक तो यार मतलब ठीक है, दिस इज लाइक मुंगेरी लाल के हसीन सपने, बट ठीक है. देखो, अभी मैं फ्रांस की जर्सी भी पहन के आ गया हूँ. Look, if you want a serious answer, I don't think it is going to happen. It's just a little bit of fun that we are having. See, look at the the look of disappointment on Shivangi's face. Just that I don't think it will happen.
Arguments यहाँ पर कोई disappointment. I'm just curating arguments.
नहीं कॉल छोड़ के मत जाना शिवांगी, मतलब हम लोग
please.
Right, but in all honesty, यार, I don't think FSG will spend that much. I don't think we're going to sign Mbappe. हमको थियागो को साइन करना था तो हमने ब्रूस्टर बेच दिया यार. हमको बेन डेविस को साइन करना था तो हमने मिनामिनो को लोन पे भेज दिया. तो मतलब एम्बापे वगैरह का मतलब वो थोड़ा मतलब इट्स लाइक इवन आई चेक आउट लाइक फरारी का प्राइस car-wale.com पे बीच में, बट मतलब रियलिटी तो बलेनो है ना.
बट शिवांगी, आपको क्या लगता है, why are you so optimistic? Whenever I tweet about this, you are so optimistic, full of life. तेरे को ऐसे क्यों लगता है कि we can sign Mbappe?
Okay, so being a football fan is all about living outrageously, right? Like I started with the Ghana वाला match, and अगर that time Suarez would have thought कि नहीं हाथ ऊपर नहीं करने का, अभी ऐसे पागल थोड़ी ना हूँ मैं, तो नहीं जीतते ना लोग. So you have to think outrageously. अब imagine we are all tweeting. So as a fans, we can only hope. Like in one of your videos, you said that we can hope and we can support. तो अब मैं पैसे तो मुझसे कोई देगा नहीं. Like no one is going to approach me and ask for money. But if I provide that kind of fan environment for Mbappe, maybe he gets convinced and be like, ठीक है 5 million कम लूँगा. 5 million कम पे sign करूँगा because Anfield है, 233 fans है और हर जगह support तो मिल ही रहा है. अभी मैं आया नहीं हूँ तब से प्यार है. तो at least as a fan, that is my duty to do that much. I can't make it like not hope होती है चीज मैं दूंगी मैं.
एक तो मानस you are talking about getting Mbappe 2021 tattooed. I think if Mbappe signs, he will get Shivangi 2021 tattooed on his clothes.
I think that makes more sense. If Mbappe signs, I will get Shivangi's name tattooed.
Yeah, that is exactly what is going to happen if Mbappe signs for Liverpool. ये होने वाला है.
Jordan, you have to do it. You know, you have said it on live camera. There's like eyewitnesses, दो चाहिए होते हैं, सब है यहाँ पे. You will have to get it done. It's no joke.
I will get it done. If we sign Mbappe, okay, either I will get Mbappe tattooed or Shivangi tattooed.
Done.
But नहीं होगा.
शिवांगी कैसे कराएगा तू?
ठीक है, मतलब ठीक है, तो डन है. अब तो बोल दिया, अब नहीं हो रहा पीछे.
मैं तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि एक हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है to buy him, and B, we don't have the wage capacity to sign him, to pay his wages. So I think ये जो मेरा statement है, ये बहुत ही safe है, ये कभी होने नहीं वाला. But hypothetically, जीवन तो हम optimism में जीते हैं, तो एम्बापे अगर साइन करेगा, शिवांगी, what will be your attacking lineup of Liverpool? Like, I would love to know.
Okay, so let's say, okay, first thing first, Mbappe deserves to be in LFC more than LFC needs Mbappe right now. We have the best of players. Like ये वाला season तो चलो चला गया अभी, but we have BBD, we have Klopp, and we have a bright future. Like Elliot आ जाएगा अभी, and he's as good as Mbappe or better maybe. Like the hopes of it, and then there is maybe Gerrard. तो ये सब चीजें हैं lined up for us. For him, it is just now कि अभी Premier League में आना है या फिर वही Liga में रहना है, and you know how Barcelona is doing and how Real Madrid is doing right now. So that is there. अब let's say Origi जा रहा है, we need a replacement for him.
So
Right?
Origi का replacement एम्बापे. मतलब शिवांगी, मेरे को एक बात बता, तूने क्या लिया है ये लाइव पे आने के पहले, प्लीज मेरे को बता दे, मेरे को भी चाहिए.
The replacement is Mbappe. Oh God, brilliant.
Let her complete. Sorry.
Origi made us win Champions League. Look, Origi made us win Champions League. You can't laugh it off like that. Okay,
100%.
It was Origi. Right. And let's say Mane doesn't want to play for us next season. Maybe he doesn't, or maybe he does. Then at the left wing, maybe Mbappe can replace him. Salah तो नहीं जा रहा कहीं पे, पक्का है वो नहीं जाएगा. And then we have Firmino, Jota, and everyone there. So yeah, that can work out. We can hope that it can work out.
So Nidhi, like what I'm gauging is that she is saying that someone has to leave. जो हम हमेशा ये बोल रहे हैं, a big player has to leave to sign Mbappe.
Yeah, I think when you look beyond the jokes, and let's say even if we have a remote chance of having Kylian Mbappe play at Liverpool, it has to, first of all, economically, we are not spending like out of pocket 250 million on a player. And it's not like Kylian Mbappe will come and sit on the bench against Brighton and Hove Albion. He will want to start games, right? He is not coming to sit on the bench at Liverpool. मतलब can you imagine Anfield के पास का जो एरिया है, इतनी ठंड होती है, और किलियन एम्बापे पेरिस छोड़ के वो वहां पे मछली और मतलब फिश एंड चिप्स वो खा रहा है और बेंच पे बैठा है, वो नहीं होने वाला. तो I think realistically speaking, one person has to leave. Me personally, I don't want Mbappe at Mane or Salah's cost, but that's just me.
Yeah, I agree.
What about you,
Mbappe at Mane's or... You were saying something.
बोला.
हाँ, so Mbappe at the cost of Mane or Salah would suck. Like it would plain suck because this team has done what no one could imagine, and he can only just add into what we are beginning to create, a legacy, right? So I am not ready to say that either Mane or Salah would go. Like that is not the deal I'm in. But okay. So we had this recent rumor that Redbird might want to invest in Liverpool, right? Like 10% stake at Zopi. So FSG is going to grow. And maybe without the oil money, we might have the chance to have a good bench. And it's not Mbappe sitting on the bench, but maybe Mane at times. And we can have a proper rotation game and, be healthy and not get injured and hope for the best kind of things.
Yeah. They obviously, like there's no way, there's no team in the world that Mbappe is in and he doesn't start every game. So I mean, if Mbappe joins us, even if all three stay, we have to find a way to play Salah, Mane, Mbappe / Jota / Firmino, play 5 of them. Minamino को भी खिलाना है, खिलाओ, मेरे को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, खिलाना तो पड़ेगा. But now the more joke aside, I think about it, it is so into FSG ka alley. Nidhi, he's 22 years old.
Right.
Okay. Even if we pay 150 million, उसका 1 साल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाकी रहेगा. We pay 150 million. एम्बापे का लास्ट स्टॉप मेरे हिसाब से इज नॉट लिवरपूल.
Of course not. Yeah.
Even if he signs, he will want to leave after 3 years or something, or 4 years. Chalo,
Right.
like he wants to leave. So वो जब 26 का होगा, they will still make money off Mbappe.
Neymar,
Like if he's 26, they can still get 150 or 200 million. So business wise, it makes total sense. Now Shivangi has made me optimistic. I don't know why, that FSG इस पे invest कर सकता है. Shivangi, like, don't you think?
Right? And Barcelona earned a lot.
Yeah, you've officially joined the Mbappe cult now. But here's the thing. Now, here's why I think it is improbable. I wouldn't say impossible. It makes sense, yes. But if you look at the kind of deals FSG has done, for example, when we got Mbappe, we were looking at Mario. What was that the player's name that we were looking at as an alternative for Mane? Okay, let's forget that. Even Jota, for example, why didn't we sign Timo Werner? Even though Jota is almost at the same price as Timo Werner, because of how the deal was structured. Leipzig told us, give us 50, 60 million upfront, or the deal is not going to happen. We bought Jota at almost that much, but because of how the deal was structured, we have to understand that in this particular position, PSG have the upper hand, right? They can structure the deal in the way they want to. They can, even demand one of our attackers if they want to. PSG are not short on money, right? Money is not a problem with. So that's the reason why I'm saying that although on paper this is something that does make sense, but you have to understand that Mbappe is already a global superstar, and Liverpool have never made that kind of signing, right? I mean, we talk about Van Dijk now, but let's face it, Van Dijk was laughed out of the park when he signed for us. 75 million. People said that he's the Dutch Titus Bramble and all that, whatever, right? So नहीं होने वाला है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, purely because of these reasons, of the kind of stature Mbappe already has as a player.
शिवांगी, मेरे को मालूम है क्या लगता है, एम्बापे को साइन करने के लिए ना, it's like Nidhi was saying, it's one of those things we've never pulled off. We have to seduce Mbappe, and we are just not a club which goes out of the way to keep a player, let alone sign a player. We let Torres go, we let Coutinho go because उन्होंने बोला they wanted to go. Mbappe, can you imagine Mbappe, a 22-year-old boy, joining the club, 200 million, and earning more than Salah, Van Dijk, everyone? तेरे को नहीं लगता थोड़ा अजीब होगा?
Okay, so the thing is, let's say about FSG doing something unprecedented, है ना? First of all, that.
Yeah.
At the beginning of the season, FSG wanted to start a whole different league. कि top से आएंगे, एक league बनाएंगे, and then we'll play football and earn a lot of money, right? So FSG wants to think out of the box. Now with Mbappe in LFC, Mbappe has the potential to grow into maybe the next Messi or Ronaldo. And we know how much Messi and Ronaldo were in assets for Barcelona and Real Madrid, right? So money-wise, it's going to be a great investment to make. It's like finding a new whole coal mine. अगर कोई power plant है तो, कि मतलब side में थोड़ा पैसा लगाएंगे, एक mine मिलेगी पूरी. Right. Now about the wage structure. So yes, he would demand high wages, but as someone, I think some person shared the wage list, Andy Robertson gets paid less than a lot of players in our team. Like, I think he gets paid 15th or 10th rank pay. That doesn't make his form or anything else compromisable. He gives still his 200% on the field. So wage structure is more about inner politics or under how is your mentality and how your manager is grooming you and what do you get from the fans and the team and the club. So I don't think money is an issue wage-wise if you get the brand name and the benefits out of it. और इतने अच्छे fans तो कहीं नहीं मिल रहे इस rate पे. So that is there too.
देख शिवांगी, वो तो हमारा biasness है, इतने अच्छे फैन. Nidhi, I agree with her. Like,
this is like Sarojini Market. ये price पे आपको इतना अच्छा कपड़ा मिलेगा नहीं कोई.
you can't compare Andy Robertson का mentality with Mbappe का mentality. Mbappe को पूरी दुनिया चाहती है.
Yeah.
Okay. Andy Robertson को अभी maybe I would say he might get a bit of attention. Mbappe, bro, we are having a different conversation about Mbappe. You get what I'm saying? We never had a video about Andy Robertson, right? This is what I'm talking about. So it will cause disruption, Nidhi, if you ask me, within the camp. If a 20-year-old comes and earns way more than a Sadio Mane or Alisson, हो सकता है. And our entire ethos under Jurgen Klopp has been no one is more important than the club, not even Jurgen Klopp, Nidhi.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Look, if you ask me, Mbappe is like, hand in glove for Real Madrid. Real Madrid haven't spent money for a long time. They have money, right? They are funded by the royal family. He is nailed on for Real Madrid, if you ask me, right? Now, without pissing off Shivangi further because she's giving me that murderous look, I agree with you. Look, if you get a 22-year-old player in a new league, and where it will, if potentially, hypothetically, let's say it happens, where it will cause more problems if there are a string of games where Mbappe doesn't perform. And that can happen. This is the English Premier League, right? A lot of superstars come here and do struggle initially or don't perform at all. So, jab wo hoga na, then, discontent grows at the time of strife. There's a saying. And that's where I think it will become even bigger of a problem. But
yeah, I think it will become about Mbappe.
Exactly.
Like everything will be Mbappe.
Yeah.
Like वो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ. I mean, it will be like Ronaldo, like Ronaldo, Messi, Ronaldo. Agar you see a lot of supporters, right, Shivangi? You see a lot of supporters, Shivangi. They say stuff like, please, when Barcelona loses, hypothetically, example दे रहा हूँ, लोग Messi की sad photo डालते हैं and they're like, oh shit, you can't do this to this goat, my idolo and blah blah. They feel bad for just a player, not even the team. मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि we become that,
I know. I mean, that is a downside. वो तो खुद ही crowd maintenance fans को ही करना पड़ेगा. Like, if someone by my side says something stupid, I'll have to slap them. Like, it is as simple as that. Second thing. Okay, second of all. Remember how Nidhi just said that Mbappe wants to join Real Madrid because Ronaldo was there. But he can become Ronaldo only when he joins Liverpool. Like, to join a big club, make his own big name, create a legacy. वो सब चीजें Real Madrid में नहीं मिलेगी. La Liga वो नहीं रहेगा.
Right.
So if you want to create a legacy of that sort, तो यही एक club available है. Without getting the oil money वाला भी जो tag मिल जाता है फालतू का और वो सब चीजें. So I mean, he should be choosing us. हाँ.
शिवांगी, तेरे को तेल से इतना क्यों प्यार है? Like oil money, कब से oil money बोल रही है तू?
मेरे को भी प्यार है. अगर बेचली मिलता तो मैं भी बहुत खुश होता. 100 रुपए लीटर है अभी.
but
एक पेट्रोल पंप बस, एक पेट्रोल पंप.
If it happens, it is just a stop, right? It's a stopgap, not a stopgap. It is a stepping stone for Mbappe. Shivangi, would you agree?
Yes, it is. Technically, it is. Because our club is going to grow. And with our club, it's about every player. Like, if you join Liverpool FC, you become a team. You don't get to be known by your name, but by the team's name. And as long as Liverpool FC grows, you grow along.
Yeah.
So
Nidhi, you agree?
Look, if it happens, I'll be over the moon. And even if he signs for three years, it's okay. It's Kylian Mbappe we are talking about. Nahi hoga, that's a separate argument. I still think he will not sign. But if he does sign, if he does agree to come to Liverpool, if FSG are ready to pay up, it's a beautiful thing. But I mean, even if we get him for 3 years, it's worth it. He'll make us win 2 leagues, perhaps, maybe a Champions League. So it will be worth it. But I just think there's just the financial aspect of it. Otherwise, from a if you keep money aside, it makes sense. But money is the main thing with FSG.
भाई साहब हमको सब इंजर्ड हो गए सेंटर बैक, हमने 1.5 मिलियन खर्चा किया 2 सेंटर बैक के लिए, और इधर हम 200 मिलियन के प्लेयर की बात कर रहे
नहीं
हैं।
होना
मतलब
भाई।
यही हो गया।
We are saving up money ना, वो होते हैं ना बड़ी ट्रिप पे जाना है, and then that's how it remains.
जनरली वो जब
Okay guys,
ऐसे जब मिडिल क्लास फैमिली सेव करती है ना कि बड़े ट्रिप पे जाएंगे, फिर वो क्या होता है कि उसके ना 3-4 ऐसे मतलब वो ट्रिप के पैसे से एक पलंग, 2 सोफा, एक डाइनिंग टेबल, वही होने वाला।
हम लोग एम्बापे के पैसे से हम लोग 25 मिनामिनो खरीद लेंगे ब्रो।
कुछ नहीं, the reality will be Shea Adams on loan with a option to buy. एम्बापे के सामने इतना मत करो।
Okay निधि, I think we should end the video because काफी लंबा हो गया है।
Yes.
Shivangi, one last question. If we do sign Mbappe, what will you do? Like मैंने बोला मैं टैटू करवाऊंगा।
दो टैटू, एक लिवरबर्ड और ब्रह्मास्मि. Like I'm writing ब्रह्मास्मि हाथ के पास, and then like I am God after this. उसके बाद the second is liverbird. I mean these two are done and over.
You have to do something outrageous. You have to do something outrageous.
It is outrageous. He's writing, I am God on the
I mean exactly. ब्रह्मास्मि like technically correct type में से, हाँ.
निधि तू क्या करेगा?
भाई मैंने तो पहले ही बोल दिया है, मैं I'll get a jersey which says I love FSG behind. मतलब that will be that tattoo तो भाई मैं अपनी बेटी का ही करा दूं बस, उससे tattoo।
हाँ मतलब I love FSG तो मतलब done है, of course, like
वही
हाँ I love
I'll do
FSG
that।
तो फिर हेनरी के जैसे भगवान के साथ फोटो लगेगी।
I'll do that। और मैं अपने मंदिर में 2 दिन हेनरी की फोटो लगा के, मैं कभी पूजा नहीं करता हूँ बट वो 2 दिन मैं करूंगा।
नहीं वो तो वारिस सबको जर्सी पहुंचा देगा फुकट का if we sign Mbappe, but निधि like मैंने ये भी सुना था कि मतलब you might reproduce and have another kid if Mbappe signs for us.
Of course that's the kind of things people do when a player signs for their club. That's exactly the outrageous. This is the kind of outrageous that we're talking about. इसमें एक और इंसान को कंटेंट चाहिए होता है, just in case you are not aware of these things.
निधि सोच and you give birth to triplets. You're like Mbappe.
एक का नाम किलियन, ऐसा ट्विंस, एक का नाम किलियन, दूसरे का नाम एम्बापे।
So net मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं होने वाला निधि।
No chance.
It's gonna happen. It's okay. It's like होने वाली चीजें होती है ना, हो जाती हैं, like but we need reverse jinx too. Like सब कोई optimist हो गए फिर ऐसे हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होता ना. So you guys can be negative. It's reverse jinx strategy. I understand. सबको करना पड़ता है but
नहीं हम वो नहीं कर रहे but ठीक है।
No, it's okay.
तो वही मानना है but ठीक है, चलो we are where we are. So thank you Shivangi, thank you for making the time for being on this video. It was a really fun video to shoot. Manas, do you want to end it?
Yes, Shivangi, thank you once again, and thank you so much everyone for watching this episode of Menace and the Monk. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Shivangi, please share it with your friends, family, so that we get thoda more views as well. And and we'll try to make more content. And if we do sign Kylian Mbappe, we'll have Shivangi once again, and we will have our respective promises fulfilled within that video. That will be insane. All right, everyone. Yeah. See you. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye, Shivangi.
Bye. Thank you for having me.